Come on, picture. Huh, Instagram. Baby. Huh. Insta foodie. Insta foodie that booty. Hello, brothers and sisters and brothers. It is your girl, SistaTV. I am here to try this whole keto bread thing again. I am going to make a Chaffle burger. So I'm going to make a burger and I'm going to make a Chaffle. I'm thinking about trying it two different ways. So let's see what happens. Okay, so I have two burger patties here. All right, and I have my seasoning. I'm going to use good old Lowry's, baby. If you don't use your Lowry's, I'm going to use some good old Lowry's. I'm going to use some Steakhouse. See, I don't know where this is from. This is maybe the dollar store or something like this, but I'm going to use this good old Steakhouse blend. I'm also going to use this roasted garlic and herb. I like a good seasoned burger. And I also do enjoy that. This is from Aldi's. This is a table salt blend from Aldi's. So I'm going to give that a try and see what happens as well, okay? Where do I look? We don't know, sis. We're going to just work it out as we go along, okay? Don't make no complaints. All right, so these are the burgers. These are from Sam's Club. These are 90% burgers. Girl, they was on sale. It was great. So I'm going to start with the good old seasoned salt. Now, I know it seems like a lot of seasoning for y'all who don't believe in the power of seasoning, but shut up. Okay? Thank you. So get them looking delicious and right. I'm going to start off. This is salt-free also. This is a salt-free brand, so I'm just going to do a little over the top. That's a salt-free. So I go ham with the salt. I go ham with the salt-free because it's salt-free. Like, fuck it then. I can just go, right? Just do it. All right. Very clean. Hey, sis. Don't be mad at me, but I already did this part already. So, I think the recipe that I'm going to use to start is going to be where you get a half a cup of Chaffle around about and just one egg. So, I cracked one egg in there, and then I mean, it's basic stuff. I'm looking at the camera up here to make sure y'all can see it, but it's basic stuff. So, I just whipped up one good old egg. And then a half a cup of cheese. I used the, where the cheese I used? I put it away already. I used the triple cheddar jack. I'll take a picture of it at the end and y'all can see that. But I used the triple cheddar jack. I'm also going to add just a little touch of Lowry's. Just a little teeny bit. And also I'll put some black pepper. No, actually I'm not going to put no black pepper. It's fine. Okay, so anyway, that's what we got. I'm going to go take it over to the waffle iron and film that. Or maybe I'm going to bring the waffle iron over here. I think I should bring the waffle iron over here. Okay, I'm going to do that. Here's my Chaffle maker. Now, there's a couple different ways they say you can do it. So the way that I'm going to try is the one that I saw first, where you keep it separate. So you take your cheese. I'm going to put it in this one. That's the one I used last time. So you take your cheese and kind of lay it down first. And let the cheese kind of cook down in there. Then you spoon the egg mix right over it. Now several people gonna give me these comments and tell me, several people gonna give me these comments and tell me this is to make one or two Chaffles, but they always be, let's talk about it too. They always be trying to sell y'all that mini waffle, which I'm not against, baby, make your money, honey, but you know, any waffle maker will do, sis. Any waffle maker will do, sis. That's my understanding, cause y'all don't need to do that. Now you'll also notice that I did not spray this with anything. Maybe I should have put some more cheese, but we're gonna go ham now. Hopefully this will, let's put a half cup in there. Okay, I don't know if I'm doing it right. It's a little bit left. Hopefully I am. All right, and then we're gonna close it up. Now, I'm gonna, I'll just touch my face and wash my hands. I got the burgers. I'm about to fry them up. They haven't been doing nothing. Look at all that good old smoke. Look at all that good old waffle smoke. Amen? smells good. Oh, it smells real good. Maybe it just smells like cheese and eggs. I mean, but cheese and eggs are delicious, so maybe that's why it smells good to me. Anyway, I just turned the pan, and I'm about to put in the burgers. Y'all done seen how a burger cooked before. Y'all don't need me to show you that. I was putting the burger in the pan and letting it cook. It's a 90-10 burger, so I am going to spray the pan first so that it, you know, because it's not as much fat. Okay, should I check it? I'm worried to check it because how long has it been? Maybe about 4 minutes. Let's see. Oh, we might have did something. Hold on. Oh, we might have did something. Wait a goddamn minute. Look at that. Baby. Ooh, shit. Okay. This is my plate. Baby. Oh, my God. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, look at, girl. That feels like a waffle. Look. Oh, Jesus. That's that oil from, oh, no, it's the water on my plate from cleaning that. Okay, I'm going to show y'all. Y'all see this? Hey. Girl, it smells good. I done ran my mouth so much. Girl, that smell good. That smell good. That look good. Hey, Shalabotashaya. Oh my God. Okay. Now I'm going to very quickly clean this and find the directions for the other kind of bread they got where you put the, I should have had that together, but I didn't. Guess what, you gonna live. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. The fire alarm's going off because my silly behind forgot to turn on the, this goes to show you how I don't close any drawers in my house. I just leave them wide open when I'm cooking. Look at that. The burgers are cooking. I forgot to turn on this good old vent. Did I burn these mothers? Is that why it's going off? A little seasoning on the side is burning. So, just so you know, I don't replace the batteries in my, hey! Cajun style, sis. Cajun style. Cajun, girl, that's a good burger. They're gonna have to shut the fuck up over here with all that hollering now. Fire alarm. Okay, so I've been here stressing about whether or not how I should make this, but I'm just gonna try some stuff and we gonna see, okay? So here I have an egg. I'm about to crack it, but this one I'm gonna make 2. So I'm gonna do 2 eggs. There's 2 eggs there. But this time I'm going to add in the addition of this good old almond flour. So there it is with almond flour. So I only have my teaspoon. So there's 3 teaspoons. There's 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. So I'm going to do 1. That is 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons or 6 teaspoons. And then I'm also going to add, ooh, child, the ghetto. I'm going to add, this is baking powder, 1 teaspoon. Okay. Then I'm going to stir all that together. That's the texture. Good old whisk. Oh, no! You know what? We're not going to stress it. Okay, but this one, you can use, I'm going to use mozzarella and a little bit of triple cheddar. All right, so I'm going to use a cup altogether. So I'm going to use a half a cup each. So this is a half a cup. So y'all can see it. Can y'all see it? This is what we're looking like. Don't fall out this damn cup again. All right. If I've been watching these videos and these people don't clean out the bowl, you got to scrape every inch of this stuff out this bowl. Well, I do. Because we getting our money's worth, sis. Okay. Then I like to spread it around because I don't like them to look all lopsided and ridiculous now. Okay, I can even see it fluffing up really nicely. Hey, come on somebody. We might have did something. We might have did something. Now, I'm gonna close it. Ooh, it's overflowing a little bit. Let me try to push it back this way. Okay. And then I'm gonna close it. And we gonna see. Okay. Okay. So it's been about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna pull it off. Ho! What? Why does it look just like a waffle? Whoa! Whoa! Baby, that looks like a waffle. So here, let me show y'all. It's a little soft. Baby, what that look like? A waffle! Look at the other side. Hey, glory. Ooh, no, don't mess it up. So it's okay. Hold on. Is it done? Okay, okay. I'll close it up. And what I am gonna do this extra hood is I'm gonna put my bacon right here. Y'all don't need that little small. Y'all don't need that little small thing. Get you a big honking one, girl. They got them at this good old Goodwill. Y'all want to act funny if you want to. Act funny. That's okay. They got them at this good old thrift store. Wash them. Clean them. $2.99. Half price day. $1.50. You're welcome. Okay, hold on. However, if you do want to buy the other one, just click my link in the bio. Oh, man. Amen. Amen. Okay. All right. Okay, so I'm going to... Well, on this plate, just so that we can keep them separate. But I don't think we're gonna mix them up because, oh my God, you see that one broke a little. I made 2 of these. I like that. Baby, that's a bun. Hey, that's big. I probably don't need that much. But here we go. Here. Let me get my bacon. My bacon. This is bacon. Look at this bacon cooking. Jesus, amen. Y'all keep cooking. Heat up. Heat up nice, sis. Yes, Lord, bacon. Okay. Yay, man. That's how you make a chaffle. That's the burger, sis. Okay. Why y'all put me through this shit? I don't know why I be doing it. Why? I put my bacon on it. Bacon burger. If I eat it, this is what I said last time, right? We mad rich over here. So we got real Heinz ketchup and real Heinz yellow mustard. Ooh wee. Yo mama didn't love you if she bought bootleg ketchup. I don't make the news, sis. I just reported. If y'all had bootleg ketchup in the house, then y'all were not loved as children. I'm just kidding. Okay, so also, baby, you gotta have pickle. Can't even see it. Sad. Baby, you gotta have pickle, right? Oh my God. Oh my God. Cut the pickle now. So you gotta, because you gotta make your own pickles. So you just like that right here. You're gonna make your own pickle slices. What they know about that? Hey, glory. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we're just gonna do what we gotta do here. Okay, amen. Can I cut this again? Amen. I can do it. Okay, yes, Lord. Hey, glory. There is a bomb in Gilead. Yes! Come on, somebody. I don't got no tomatoes. I don't got no lettuce. I wanted all of that on here, but we're just gonna make it work. Okay. So I'm gonna put some ketchup and some mustard on that. Yeah, hey, glory. So does it look like a real tasty? She out here cooking. Hey, 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 hey. Ha ha. Okay. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up as I'm going through it. What I wanted to tell you guys is, look at that burger, yes! What I wanted to tell you guys is that the one that is the fancy waffle with the almond flour feels very soft, more like a waffle, and the one that is just the cheese feels more like a bun. It was really yummy. Y'all, if y'all sent me off again, the way I'm going to drag everybody, I'll just get half of each. So I'm gonna take this half out. Look at that. Huh! My God, sis. Come on, picture. I'm gonna show y'all first. Come on, picture. Huh! Instagram, baby. Huh! Insta foodie. Insta foodie that booty. So honestly, you guys, I really couldn't believe how good they looked. And then what was even more surprising is how good they tasted. I am a Chaffle convert now. You guys, they were fan-freaking-tastic. I will say this, if I make them again, I liked the one that was the plain one that was just the cheese and the egg for like the burger and a more savory taste. But the one with the addition of the almond flour made it very waffle-like, very bread, soft texture. So I was thinking that it would be cool to add some kind of sweeteners in there, maybe some vanilla extract, a little cinnamon. If you do sugar, you could do some sugar, that monk fruit sweetener, any of those things. Anyway, these were really great substitutes. I get it. You can see me eating it here. I sped up this, but I was literally just sort of like so surprised and chewing it because I just couldn't believe how good it looked and how good it tasted. It is your girl, SistaTV. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, a comment, a share, and a subscribe. SistaTV loves you. Bye-bye. Just egg and cheese. This one is a little dense, so maybe this one might be good. Maybe this one might be good as just like a waffle. Like, let me just taste this. By itself, is a no-go for me. But with the burger, just as I suspected, or with other stuff, it's good. I like it. I'm gonna take another bite.